Hey Dave, how you doing? If you could help me out a little bit on putting together a portfolio, that would be really helpful. And I know you've talked in the past about making a theme to the portfolio, and I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. But if you could just look at some of this work and see if any of it is portfolio worthy, that would be really helpful. So this is my drive through my Brian DuPont Design Gmail account, and I'll just share that with you, and you can kind of flip through it and take a look. That would be awesome. I think I told you I was going to apply at a Grace Presbyterian Church for their graphic designer, and I'll share the job description to you, so maybe that might kind of help with that a little bit. Okay, but in my Drive portfolio folder, I've got five folders here that I wanted you to take a look at. So this one, and I'll just kind of flip through these really, really fast. This one is a catalog that it's a work in progress right now, but kind of I'm designing this, and some of these layout pieces are going to move around a little bit and not be there. But I mean, if you see anything that's worth a page, I mean, is it worth mocking up or anything like that? Um, and then you saw these. These were the icons I used for Grow International. And if you just want to kind of look through those and kind of decide if any of those are worthy of that, this was I was supplied a photograph and then I designed the rest of it. So yeah, so just kind of look at those. Here's all my schoolwork that I think is I guess some of my stronger pieces, or maybe more of my portfolio pieces, because some other stuff that I have is really difficult to design into a portfolio. So these are kind of more of a single images. Here's my Samaritan stuff. There's my portfolio. And then here are the other images that I used for that application. So if any of those you think are strong, that would be cool. And then this is the Wild Game Feast campaign that I've been doing. And this is a shirt design that I can mock up onto a t-shirt. So that would be really good. But oh yeah, so I wanted to go back to this really fast, the portfolio. I'm still keeping this kind of a design aesthetic for right now. And obviously these ideas can change a little bit to kind of focus more on what it is. But like we said, here are some of those layouts and mock-ups, and then my infographic and illustrations. And so that format doesn't really need to stay. But I mean, these are what you consider to be pretty strong pieces. But that was also specifically for Samaritan. So if you see it as something different, um, then I guess I'll have to swap some of those out and take them out. So okay. So then also of my Flickr site with all the like photographs. I don't know if that'll really work. But also my packaging design stuff. Again, I don't know if that'll work, but I mean, it does show some pretty good work in there. So yeah, so if you wouldn't mind just kind of like flipping through and kind of, I don't know, guiding me a little bit in that, that'd be great. Yeah, I don't know. The Grace Presbyterian job opened up like I don't know, like 4 days ago or something. So they're probably not going to fill it for a little while, but I'd like to at least get that in by the weekend, I suppose. So, all right, man. Yeah. So, I'll just talk to you later, and that's just a quick, brief description of what's going on. So, all right, man. All right. See you.